So, as we begin to age and we hit typically our mid 30s to late 30s, we stop ovulating as often. And when we don't ovulate, guess what? We don't produce progesterone. And so, this is when we start to see women having bad periods and period pain and really heavy bleeding, maybe really sore breasts before your period comes, emotional distress, cravings, bloatedness, water retention, and just feeling overall really blah, and certainly not wanting to have sex, certainly not wanting to eat healthy. A lot of women don't want to exercise because they're not sleeping great during that second half of the month, and they're just in a poor mood and they don't have any motivation. And this we see getting kind of worse and worse as the years go on, as we get into our late 30s, early 40s. And this is because we're not ovulating as often.